Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW M340i in Black Sapphire Metallic with the Cognac interior. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW M340i xDrive Sedan in Black Sapphire Metallic. I'm just going to hit unlock so we can get the headlights to come on. And then I'm just going to press and hold the panic button on the key so we can get the pathway lighting on. So full low beam system. So let me just do a lap all the way around the car first before we start the video. I'm just going to go all the way around. Got the new welcome light carpet visible there. New wheels for 2025 LCI 2. So now let's go ahead and take a look at all the details. Alright, so we got Black Sapphire Metallic, the classic black. And I mean, I don't think this is as old as jet black, but I really like Black Sapphire Metallic. And maybe I'm biased because I currently am driving an M240i in this color. But look at these lines coming down the hood lengthwise. That's very BMW in terms of design language. We've got the rondelle up front. We've got the one-piece blacked out kidney grille with the new honeycomb grille. And we do have the active grille back there as well, which will open for more airflow. And I love that this is where the tow hook goes on the front. It's virtually invisible other than that little dot there that tells us that that part opens. And everything blacked out looks really good. Functional air ducts over there as well. So front end of this car looks sweet. Now when we come over here, you'll see that we have the individual Shadowline BMW LED headlights as well, which looks really great. I love all the little intricate little designs and lines, and even that this part at the bottom illuminates. I think that's sweet. So front end looks amazing. Now when we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the new 19-inch double spoke 995M wheels in jet black burnish with the red M Sport brake. So normally I'm not really a black wheel guy, but I think the 995M wheels actually look better in black than they do in burnished, whereas most of the wheels I prefer in the burnished finish. What do you guys think of the 995M wheel? In the Canadian market, we have the M badging on the fender. Man, look at that. Beautiful reflection. We've got this little body line here that comes and swoops up into the rear door. We have the black M wing mirrors, turn signal and the camera integrated onto the side there. We have the sunroof up top, new style antenna. Side profile is the benchmark of sports sedan. Black window surrounds, Hofmeister kink, black spoiler on the trunk lid. There's your rear 995M wheel with the red M Sport brake there. And come to the back, you'll see we've got those iconic L-shaped taillights with the M340i badging in brushed aluminum. And because it's actually showing up on my camera, there's a new welcome light carpet for 2025, slightly different than the outgoing one. And back here we do have vertical reflectors, freeform exhaust. There's your muffler underneath. And we've got the rear diffuser back here as well. Back end looks really good. We've got the keys, so kick our foot underneath the middle. Get that to open the hands-free way. So once that opens up, we have release levers on each side in here to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. We have a grocery bag hanger. These are your carpeted mats. Plastic storage bin on this side. Another plastic storage bin with a net on this side. So I'm going to just lift this up. And inside of there, there's a tire inflator kit, wheel lock key, tow hook. And there's a little box there that contains the original bolts in case you'd like to revert back to a non-wheel lock system. We have a button here to close, another one to close and lock. But kick my foot underneath the middle of the car. We'll get that to close the hands-free way, which is sweet. Now when we come to the passenger side, you'll see that we have the fuel cap door here. It is connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane, but I've noticed the sticker actually says 93. It's counterclockwise one click. There's a little spot here to put this, and when you're done, it's clockwise one click. Shut the door. We have touch comfort access on all four door handles, so unlock or touch the lines there to lock. Once I open this up, you'll see that we've got the Cognac interior, Harman Kardon sound system. There's that beautiful Cognac interior in the rear here. Center headrest can flip up or down. Armrest in the center with cup holders. And we also have a pass-through through the center here as well. We've got the black headliner, the reading lights. We've also got a handle on each side with a coat hanger. The back of the center console has some vents, rear climate controls, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. There's no heated seats on this one. And these are your rear winter mats. There's more vents down there as well. Let's shut this door and we'll open the front door next. So if I open the front passenger door, once I open that up, you'll see again, we've got the welcome light carpet here. We've got the Cognac interior design, galvanic controls, Harman Kardon sound system, big deep door pockets, aluminum M door sill, welcome light carpet again. There's your Cognac Sensatec seating, lumbar, full power, manual under the thigh. And here we've got some soft touch materials on the dash with some stitching going across. We've got the new vent controls, close, open, direct where it's going. Aluminum rhombical trim with your curved display with iDrive 8.5 on there. And you've got Cognac actually down here. Open that up. There's your glove box, which is illuminated. New vent design here. Press this. There is your wireless charger, cup holders, 12 volt plug, USB Type A. We have your gear selector and push start button. And we've got the Cognac armrest. Open that up. Wireless charger in there and it's illuminated, but I like that it's Cognac on there. Let's close this door and we'll open up the driver door next. All right, so let's open the driver door. So inside we have some Harman Kardon things. We have some window controls, side mirror controls, memory, and there's your door handle. Tailgate releases down here, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar once again. Let's take another look at those beautiful seats. We have the new flat bottom steering wheel for 2025. So we've got 6 o'clock M, 12 o'clock red marker. M tricolor stitching is there as well. We also have the head-up display with the nice stitching going around there. Exterior lighting controls are here. There's your signal stock. There's a release there for tilt and telescope, right? And since we've looked at all this, let's take a look down here. So there's your M Sport pedals. Hood releases here, 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front of the vehicle, we won't have to find anything here. You just have to lift this up. There it is, the beautiful B58, 3-liter inline-6 twin-power turbo. And this time we have 386 horsepower and 398 foot-pounds of torque. Positive battery terminals here, negative battery terminals here, and washer fluid goes over there. And we've got the M Performance engine cover here as well, which is sweet. And BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so it just means they both have to close at the same time. So if I bring the hood roughly about halfway, send her down, and there she is. All right, so before we conclude the video, I'm gonna do one final lap all the way around, and there's those headlights on again. I think it looks really good in black, especially with the LCI 2 upgrades, the new wheels, and this one's got M Sport Pro on there as well, so that is quite awesome. And overall, I think this design is as good as it's gonna get for a sports sedan. So bring on der neue Klasse. Let's see where we go from here. So let me know in the comments below what you think of the outgoing or last time we're gonna see this body M340i. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW M340i in Black Sapphire Metallic with the Cognac interior, and we got M Sport Pro on there. So let me know in the comments below what you think of the spec. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.